Hello everyone, I'm going to explain you about class and objects in Python in this session. This is also introduction to object-oriented programming language. Like Python is a multi-paradigm programming language. It supports different programming approaches. One of the popular approaches to solve programming problem is by creating objects and its class. Uh, Now we are going to next slide. We know what is object programming, object-oriented programming, also called as OOPS, a programming paradigm that organizes software design around data or objects rather than functions and logic. Objects contain data or attributes and code or methods. There are four key principles: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. These are the main sources for this object-oriented programming language. Now we are going to know about what is a class. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. In Python, we use keyword class to create a class. Like you can see here the syntax. We have defined a class and we use my class as its value. Then this is called keyword. We are creating a class called as my class, and then we use def in init. This init is called as constructor, and the self name is given as Python. And then for next going to next slide, we know what is an object. An object is a variable of class type. An object of class is also known as instance of a class. All the members of class are accessed using any object of the class. We use the following syntax to create an object. This is the syntax of creating an object. Object name equal to class name in parenthesis arguments. This is an example for creating an object. Object equal to my class. Print object dot name. This dot is used for operating the init method or constructor. This init is known as constructor in this Python programming language. The special method used to initialize about attributes called automatically when a new object is created. A constructor is a special method or member function of a class which automatically gets executes on every object creation. This is an example of using init class person. This is the class and this is the class we have created, and def is a function, and then you can see this is init, and we use self and then name self name. Now we given self dot name equal to name. The p1 is equal to person alias. Print p1 dot name. Then we get the name as alias. Then we have to know what are the types of constructors. There are two types of constructors. One is default constructor. Default constructor is a constructor without any parameters. However, it has a default parameter itself. Parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor is a constructor with one or more parameters. Parameterized constructor may have any number of parameters. And going to know about default constructor, we should know how to create a default constructor. In Python, constructor is created using a special method called init. We all know about it. And in programming language like C++, Java, etc., the constructor has the same name as a class name. But in Python, every class has the constructor with same name in it. And then we should know how to create a parameterized constructor. Mm, we use self dot name like that and so on. So we can use any number of parameters to create this. And then going to next slide, instance variables and methods. Instance variables, this is data unit to each object, and instant methods, functions that operate on object data. This is the example for instance variables and methods. This is class car, and if in its self brand equal to brand. This def drive and self print self brand is driving. Here self dot brand gives the brand name of the car which we included. And then next to going to next slide, accessing attributes and methods use dot operator. As I said before, dot operator is used to accessing this example. This is the example to how we access the attributes and methods using dot operator. My car is equal to car Toyota. Print my car dot brand, so we can get it as Toyota. My car dot drive. As we go back before slide, as you seen, self brand is driving. We got Toyota is driving. This self brand is here. My car dot drive. So here we have the given that code. So we have to then the Toyota is mentioned in the place of self dot brand. So we get Toyota is driving. Then going to next slide, class versus instance variables. Class variables shared across all instances. This is the example of class versus instance variables. As you seen, this is dog species is equal to class variable. We have given species equal to canine. Defined in this self dot name equal to name. This is instance variable. We can know the clear difference here, like which is defined known as class and which is defined as instance. And then next to go into next slide, uh, where we use these class and objects. We use classes in blueprint of house, an object actual house built from that blueprint. Like when an engineer taken a blueprint or in a paper, then it's a class. When we actually do a 3D printer like that, then it is called object of that. Each house object has walls, doors, and windows, attributes, or methods. And summary of this slide is: a class is a template for creating objects. An object is an instance of a class. Python uses init to construct and initialize objects. Methods and variables are used to define behaviors and properties. So that's it for today. Thank you, friends.